sensory activity that you can do at your home with items around the house or with some of the LUSU kit. So in my box I've put a few items in and I've cut some holes in to put my hands in. If you haven't got a box, you could use a bowl with a tea towel over it with the items inside. So the game is, it's all about the sensory, the feel, the noise that some of the items will make, and then once I've said the item, I can pull it out and throw it into my wooden bowl. So, you know me, I like a bit of music, get into the mood and grooves, so I'm going to put the music on and play the game. So I'm going inside fluff ball. Yes, brilliant. And then I'm going to go eye to sky. I did it. Okay, you could call one out. What are you saying? A tangerine? A tangerine, okay. Yeah! A tangerine. Again, eye to sky into my bowl. I did it. Okay, I'm going to choose one this time. Ooh. This has got holes in it. It's got a bit of a bell. Oh, and it's a ball. I'm going to do a bounce in this one. Brilliant. And with the music being there, it gives me a bit of an idea of whereabouts the bowl is for the VI. So it's a great game that you can play with items around your house. One more go. What did you say? A rabbit? Oh, rabbit's coming out of the box. Oh, you smell this little rabbit ornament. Are you going to bounce into it? No, you're just going to watch. So those are great ideas that you can do.